Hello students, this is module 4 which is infinite series and power series solution. In this we are going to study what is series, when a series is divergent, convergent or oscillatory, and also the testing of the series, whether the series is convergent, divergent or oscillate. Let us go for the definition directly. Suppose if un is a function of n and this is defined for all the integral values of n, then the expression is given by u1 plus u2 plus u3 so on up to infinity, containing infinite number of terms, is called infinite series, and it is denoted by summation of un from 1 to infinity, or simply summation of un. Okay, where un is called here nth term or general term of the infinite series. Now next, suppose sum of the first n term of series is denoted by Sn and represent the sum of n terms of series u1 plus u2 plus u3 so on up to un. Here Sn plays an important role because whether the series is convergent or divergent or oscillatory, it depends upon Sn only. Okay, next, convergent, divergent and oscillation of a series. So when we say the series is convergent, when limit of the sum Sn as n tends to infinity equal to a finite number, then we say the series is convergent. When it we say divergent, when limit of the sum as n tends to infinity is equal to plus or minus infinity, we say the series is divergent. When it is oscillatory, when the series has to one or more limit, then we say the series is oscillatory. Okay, here small example is there, 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n. Okay, sum of n terms is n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is sum of the n terms. When you apply the limit to this sum to n term, you are getting infinity, which is divergent. Okay, now some condition let us see. Suppose we are having a series of positive term and which is convergent. Okay, and then limit of its nth term is equal to 0 as n tends to infinity. In symbolical it is written limit n tends to infinity un is equal to 0. Okay, when it is 0, suppose the positive term series is convergent, then the limit of its nth term is equal to 0. Okay, reverse of this, if limit un as n tends to infinity is equal to 0, then the series may or may not be convergent. Okay, this is the first condition. Next condition is if un is equal to not equal to 0, then the series is divergent. Okay, the series, suppose we are having a geometric series 1 plus r square. This is a geometric series. R is here common ratio. If modulus of r less than 1, then it is convergent. If modulus of r greater than or equal to 1, it is divergent. Okay, for the geometric series. Suppose we are having a series summation of 1 upon n raised to p. Okay, is equal to 1 upon 1 raised to p plus 1 upon 2 raised to p so on up to infinity. Here when p is greater than 1, then the series is convergence. When p is less than or equal to 1, series is divergent. So in this we are going to study some test. Using those tests we are finding series is convergent, divergent, and the ratio test fails. Okay, the series un is of positive term is convergent when this condition applies, un plus 1 upon un less than 1. We need to find here un plus 1. Divergent, un plus 1 upon un greater than 1. Okay. And this ratio test fails when we are getting the value equal to 1. Let us see small example. This is the example. Discuss the nature of the series. Okay. When x is greater than 0. Now what is un according to this given series? Un is, see here, numerator x go on increasing, so it will be x raised to n. See in the denominator, first term is 1, here's 2, 3, so it will be n. Okay, and second term 2, 3, 4, it means go on increasing n plus 1. So like this you have to find the nth term. Now what is the n plus 1? X raised to n plus 1, add plus 1. Okay, here n place of n plus 1, here n plus 2. So now we have to find un plus upon un. So un plus 1, just write it down, upon un, this is un. Okay, this will go to the numerator, x raised to n will come to the denominator. So n plus 1 get cancelled, even x raised to n and this x raised to n get cancelled. Here you are getting here x only. Okay, x into n upon n plus 2. Now apply the limit un plus 1 upon un as n tends to infinity is equal to limit n tends to infinity. What is un plus 1 upon un? Just now we got x into n upon n plus 2, right? Okay, now just evaluate this n tends to infinity. How to evaluate? In the denominator, so that n get cancelled. Take n common, 1 plus 2 upon n. Okay, x as it is. Now when you apply the limit to this, it will be 1. So 1 into x. Okay, now depends upon the x, we have to test the series is convergent, divergent, or it fails. Okay, when it is convergent, when limit un plus 1 upon un as n tends to infinity is less than 1. It means x is less than 1, then the series is convergent. When this is greater than un plus 1 upon un as n tends to infinity greater than 1. Okay, un plus n plus 1 upon un is, we got x is greater than 1, the series is divergent. When x equal to 1, the series fails. So this is about the D'Alembert ratio test.